Most of people often think that science and God are two separate paths, but the truth is that science is the pursuit of understanding God's system. Every creation, every discovery, every law, in fact, points to the universe of that creator. Have you ever wondered why the sun rises in the east? Why the earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees? Why gravity is the same everywhere on earth? Have you ever considered that whether it's Newton's law or Einstein's theory, these are all discoveries, not inventions? The laws existed beforehand, these scientists merely unveiled them. So the question is, who made these laws? If the universe were a game of blind forces, there would be no laws. Why does something happen the same way, again and again? Why is there consistency? For example, the sun is about 93 million miles away from Earth. Just imagine, if the Earth were only 5% farther from the sun, what would happen? It would become a ball of ice. The temperature would drop so drastically, that water would freeze, and the oceans would turn to ice. And if we reverse this, if the Earth were only 5% closer to the sun, it would become so hot, that water would start boiling, and the oceans would turn into vapor. Trees, animals, and humans would all cease to exist. Do you see how the Earth's atmosphere, the amount of water, the ratio of oxygen in the air, everything is perfectly balanced? Ask yourself questions. Science calls this the fine-tuning of the universe. It is such a delicate and precise arrangement that even the slightest change in any law would make life impossible. Did all this happen by coincidence, or is there someone who is running this system? Every moment, the code of life, DNA, is not taken lightly. It consists of 3 billion letters. This code determines your hair color, your height, your voice, your appearance, your intelligence, everything. Can 3 billion letters write themselves? Do you understand what 3 billion letters mean? If you started counting without taking a breath 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, it would take you 95 years just to count them. Here, science falls silent, but God speaks, for He has arranged everything in the best order. Mathematics is not the invention of man, it is the language of creation. The moon's orbit, the position of the stars, gravitational waves, brain signals, all have formulas, ratios, and calculations behind them. This is what the Holy Quran describes, that everything has a measure with Him. The science that is used to deny God is the same science that is the greatest proof of God. An organized universe, a connected body, a true system, these cannot happen by themselves. God may not be seen, but His system is visible every moment. Science tells us the laws, faith tells us the essence of those laws.